Right now, the answer to how do we do this probably lives in scattered documents, buried email threads, occasional sticky notes, or just in one person's head. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to fix that. We will complete part 5 of the workbook to map out a centralized knowledge base, a natural language Q&A system, and a clean 5-number dashboard you can check every Monday morning. Before we begin, make sure you've completed workbook sections 1.4 through 4.3 for your process and contract documentation, as well as section 2.5, so your monthly close provides accurate financial data. Completing this section takes all that raw, historical data you've organized and connects it to a functioning, actionable reporting engine. Open your workbook to section 5.1, the Knowledge Base Blueprint. Start at Exercise 1 and select the platform where your central hub will live, like Notion or SharePoint. Move to Exercise 2. Go down the list and check off every piece of content you need to pull into this new system, from your core processes to your customer FAQs. Stop when you reach Exercise 3. Do not write down that everyone maintains the knowledge base. If nobody is explicitly responsible for updating it, the information becomes misleading, which is worse than having no system at all. Write down one specific name on the owner line. Then select a firm, recurring day for them to do a 30-minute review each month. Drop down to the bottom of the page. Physically sign and date the key decision box to lock in these choices. Assigning a single owner and a strict calendar cadence is the only reliable way to keep your knowledge base from rotting and becoming dangerously obsolete. Turn to section 5.2. Once your knowledge base is populated, we can add a natural language AI layer. Go to Exercise 1 and pick your query platform, like Claude Project or a custom GPT. In Exercise 2, check off exactly which finalized documents the system is allowed to read and cite so it gives accurate answers to your team. Whenever a team member asks a question the AI cannot answer, the system routes the query to the gap log here. Over time, these gaps form a clear pattern, giving you a prioritized checklist of what internal documentation to build next. Commit to reviewing this log once a month so you can fill those gaps and continuously train the system. Sign and date the key decision box at the bottom of the section. By actively tracking what the system doesn't know, you turn a passive search tool into a self-improving engine that dictates your documentation strategy. Next up is section 5.3. Let's define the metrics you usually wait days to see. In Exercise 1, write down the top numbers you want to review at the start of every week. Firm, you are strictly limited to 5 metrics. Do not add a 6th. We are preventing dashboard bloat so you can actually read the data without falling into analysis paralysis. This compares a wall of spreadsheet numbers on the left to the clean, focused mobile report you want on the right. Select Facts plus Y plus Action in Exercise 3. Your report should deliver the numbers, the context, and a clear operational step for the week. Finalize your delivery format in Exercise 4, then sign the key decision box. By forcing yourself down to 5 tightly contextualized numbers, you guarantee that Monday mornings are spent making operational decisions instead of trying to decode spreadsheets. Turn to section 5.4, the Industry and Competitive Watch. In the first 2 exercises, list your top 5 direct competitors and any regulatory bodies that govern your business. In Exercise 3, answer the 3 prompts about industry trends that keep you up at night and what your competitors do that you wish you could track. Be highly specific. This animation shows how those 3 specific answers power the exact prompt used to generate your recurring executive briefing, filtering the external noise into a clean, readable summary. Select your briefing frequency, monthly or quarterly, and sign the final key decision box. This system handles the repetitive market research. It delivers external context to steer the company, replacing manual searching with a targeted executive briefing. Turn to the Part 5 summary page. Go down the list and score your confidence levels from 1 to 5 for the 4 sections we just completed. Look at what you've established. You have a mapped, searchable home for your knowledge, an AI setup ready to answer staff questions, and a locked-in reporting dashboard for your Mondays. Your next step is execution. Physically put the maintenance dates you chose onto your calendar today and hand this finished blueprint over to your team or advisor to implement. Part 5 doesn't ask you to generate new operational data. It simply snaps all of that hard work you completed in Parts 1 through 4 into alignment, making your information visible, searchable, and ultimately useful to you as an owner.